everyone, this is Brooke again, and I'm here to share with you the awesome real talent reviews of FeetFinder.com. Did you know that FeetFinder was rated excellent based on 543 reviews? FeetFinder has partnered with Trustpilot to ensure that all reviews are legit from real users, not bots. This also ensures you get honest customer feedback, as we cannot delete reviews or buy fake ones. FeetFinder's reviews and reputation are everything to us, and we always want to ensure that we look out for the community that supports us. Let's take a look at some of the hundreds of 5-star reviews we have received from real buyers and sellers on FeetFinder. Delilah said, "FeetFinder is an innovative platform that links foot connoisseurs with reliable models. They do their best to provide a safe and seamless experience for everyone involved. Welcome to the future of foot content." Valerie said the customer service part is awesome. They get back to you right away and are extremely helpful. Jen Miller said, "Very quick and helpful. They were quick to respond to my inquiries and resolve my issues within a few hours." Foxy Thrill said, "I'm new to the platform, but I'm loving all the features and how easy it is to use the platform. I was approved and uploaded my first 2 galleries within 24 hours. I'm so excited to get started." Also, Bree Howard said, "They are quick and up-to-date, easy to navigate." Trustpilot fights fake reviews, and its goal is to have businesses and consumers come together to foster trust and inspire collaboration, so you are assured that these reviews are genuine. For more 5-star FeetFinder reviews, you can visit Trustpilot. See the description below for the link. And again, if you want to learn how to buy and sell feet content on FeetFinder.com, we have provided you with the most detailed video on this channel. Please click the description below, go to FeetFinder.com and sign up today. Subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn more about FeetFinder.com, you can check out the videos on the playlist on the end screen. I'm Brooke, wishing you a happy and healthy exploration of whatever turns you on. Thank you for watching my video. Click here to learn more about FeetFinder.com. Click here to learn more about how you can buy and sell feet content on FeetFinder.com.